Now if we could figure out a way to attach the stick to his body,
Sit down.
then we have a really cool
There you go.
sweeper. It's called Kitty Sweeper.
You're using the cat.
Give me that. It's mine. Hard to drive this thing.
He's gonna bend the stick.
He's already done that. Keep going. Do not touch. You know, when I really do mopping, this is gonna be like really hard because he's just gonna want to play with it now.
Laser.